rain in northeastern Illinois until 8:30 p.m.
Oh, really?
At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plano, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Oswego, Yorkville, Plano, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, and Bristol. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
I don't get it. Like, why? Why is there a third round? We had round 1 today. We had round 2 today. There's a cat. Round 3 today. At around 8:15 p.m. See you guys in the next one and get me. Bye.